Hello, my name is Abimael. I am from Chiclayo. I live at La Victoria. I am 28 years old. My father is Noé. She is a system engineer. My mother is Luder. She is housewife. I have 7 brothers and 2 sisters. I single. My birthday is on 2 of December. My cell phone is 958941617. On my free time, I like to gymnastics and swimming. I have pet its name is peace. Trick to visit my friends. I found barrios in that square selling banana chips and together went on a tour of the northern beach. This is my day routine. Get up at 7 a.m. Take a shower. I have breakfast at 6 o'clock. I leave my house and go to study. I return home. As my lunch, I go to work. I return home at 8 o'clock. I do my homework and study. I finally would go to sleep 7 o'clock. Bye.